Trees are coming into leaf, like something almost being said. Their recent buds relax and spread. Their greenness is a kind of grief. Is it that they are born again and we grow old? No, they die too. Their yearly trick of looking new is written down in rings of grain. Yet still the unresting castle's fresh, in full-grown thickness every May. Last year's dead, they seem to say. Begin afresh, afresh, afresh.
Won't you come outside? You know as well as I do, you know as well as me. You know, I can leave you sleeping, I can leave you be. But oh, won't you come outside? We can think this over, we can think this through. So let's go. But there's only so much thinking someone like me should do. So won't you come outside? Won't you come outside? Is this day or no? Though I can't be certain, this day is something I'm sure of. But I can't clearly tell, this day is not so plain to see. I'm half asleep, yes I am dreaming of reality. So take me outside. Outside. Oh, won't you come outside? Come outside.